Alright people, so this is the finished look of this unit. Now I'm going to keep it completely honest with you guys. I absolutely love this unit entirely. Now in the beginning when I got this unit I was a little bit skeptical about the color. Now the color for me is a little bit much. Now much in the sense that this is not something I can personally do myself, so I'm happy that it's available at a company where you can actually purchase it from. Now the color job on this unit was done excellent. Now this is supposed to be a Ciara inspired unit from Bestlacewigs.com. Now I have reviewed another unit from this company previously, and I also did review a wig from this company that I actually purchased myself years ago. So I've been working with this company for a long time. Now this is the first time I've received an ombre styled unit that's actually ombre perfectly. Now when I mean ombre perfectly, this hair was processed and it's not dry, it's not tangly, and it's not a major sheddy type of unit. Now with this being blonde, and when I mean blonde, there's different dimensions of blonde. In the front of the hair you'll see it's almost like a platinum. It goes into like 27s, and then you get like a little bit of a chocolate peekaboo in the back right here, which I thought was really cool. I personally would not do hair this way, but I actually thought that it came out nice the way the company did it. So it's almost like a chocolate brown colored mix with kind of like your mix of blondes, kind of like a mix of balayage and then ombre, and then like I said in the back you have like your peekaboo kind of like number 6 chocolate brown. Now I do think that this unit is definitely nice. I am a woman of color, I'm brown skin, so therefore this one for me, I thought in the beginning it was going to be a little bit of a troubled unit just because my skin is darker. Now I have seen this unit on a lot of lighter women on here, and I'm thinking like, I thought like, woof, it looked good on them. I was a little fearful thinking that it wouldn't come out on me too nice just because you know I thought it was gonna clash with my skin, but it looks great. I'm being completely honest with you guys. This is the unit you need to have. Unfortunately, I hate the fact that I kind of waited towards the end of the summer to show you guys this, but this unit is definitely a unit if you're someone who likes blondes, that's looking for a good blonde wig, that you can wear this transitioning into the fall, winter, whatever. It's a year-round wig. Now I did get this one in 16 inches. I did go in and just clip the ends just a little bit just to kind of straighten it out so that I kind of had like an even little cut instead of it all being shaggy. So I definitely think that the little end cutting definitely improved it a little bit. I'm just like, yo, come on, yo, this is pretty cute. Like, so alright people, so that basically wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial. I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Bestlacewigs.com. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.